Hey guys, welcome back to Crafts with Rara. Now in this video we're going to continue the squishy series and make a squishy cat. Okay, now first we're going to draw the outline like we do in every video. I'm going to use the darkest of this Copic marker because it's like permanent, so it's better. Okay, so I'm going to add the ears in later, so I'm not going to put it in the outline shape. So it's going to have a big head and a tiny body. But I outlined it extra because I know that for sure I'm going to cut more. So if I was outlining that, it'll be less than that, it'll look bad. Now we'll start the cutting. Okay, this part is like the panda bun. It's hard because this time you actually have to get it round. Actually, I'm going to draw the same thing on the back as well. So I'm going to... These are very hard to open. One is a bit less small, so I'm mainly going to be following this guideline. So now I'm just going to start trimming. Okay, this is too sharp. Okay, so let's just... So this squishy doesn't have an exact picture I'm following it by. Which side was I using again? This side. Okay, so every time you do this, in a couple of minutes, you're going to have to wipe off your fingers and your scissors. So you just cut out the outline. So I'm going to cut it out and then come back. So I got a shape. Oops. So I didn't show it in this video because it takes such a long time. Here are my shavings. It takes a really long time, which is why you should watch my panda bun video, because it explains, even though I didn't end up showing, like, using how, like, painting on the bun, it still shows how to cut it in a curve. Also, my real Kuma doesn't show it as well. My panda bun does, because the panda bun's like really curved. I really am trying to get a really round body. Oh yeah, I'm getting round. Okay, good. I might sand this after to make it smooth. Okay, I'm not gonna cut anymore on this side. Oh dear, I need to define this more. If you want to define it, just curve it and then just go cut. Okay, now I'm gonna actually finish this thing and then like finish cutting it and then come back. Okay, I finished cutting it out. Yeah, I have a lot of stuff everywhere. So the next step is the ears. Now I'm gonna find a piece. From before, I have this huge chunk. I think I can work with. I want the thicker part of the chunks to be my ears. This stiffness. What can I do? Okay, that's weird here. Now I'm gonna curve it. This. Okay. And the top. Good. And let's see this piece. This one needs to be bigger. I might use this one instead. Or not. I'm trying to make equilateral triangles. Because I don't know, it looks a lot better, or at least I saw sillies. I love how I'm putting math into this. Oh no. I need another perfect ear. Oh, I think we can work with this ear to make it perfect. Or is this too small? Yeah, it's too small. Oh. Ah, it's in my hair. Ooh, this is good. Cut and cut. Okay, since I want to make them to scale, well, not to scale. Ooh, these two could work. I'll just make this one a bit thinner. I almost cut my finger right now. Okay. There we have 2 ears. Now I'm going to clean up this ugly mess and then start painting. Hey guys, so for my cat, the phone battery died. However, what happened, I put it on the face. After that, I thought it looked fine, it looked ugly. So I added the stripes to pull away the ugliness of it. However, I'm going to replace the eyes with, once they're dry, I'm going to try peeling it off and then replacing it with black Sharpie eyes. That'll be better. But the same as the nose, maybe I might do something about that. Other than that, this cat one's so cute. Look at this. I mean, it looks like it had a mustache and it's a boy, but it was supposed to be a girl. So sad. There's a back. I put a squiggly on the tail. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell, and when we get 50 subs, you know, it's a little giveaway going on. And remember, comment down below if you agree with the fan email thing, and you'll like do that. In the fan email, I won't give it to you guys yet until I get like some yeses. So, however, in the fan email, what's gonna happen is that you can show me. You can either make fan art for me, Honestly, make anything for me except for letters, because letters you can just put it in the comments. No, I'm not kidding. You can put the letters in the comments. And other than that, I'm willing to take anything and send pictures. And then once I get a proper printer, I might print some of them out. So yeah, bye.